And WENY News continues to follow up on the test results within the Ithaca City School District that show high amounts of lead in water sources. WENY's Samantha Potter sits down with the director of the Tompkins County Health Department to learn what these results mean and what's being done. Samantha?
Renata, as we've told you, drinking water sources throughout the Ithaca City School District have been shut off after test results revealed high levels of lead. Now the school district and county are working with the state to understand what needs to be done to correct those problems. After an additional round of sampling was taken at the Enfield and Caroline Elementary School within the Ithaca City School District, the district replaced fixtures that showed lead levels above the permitted amount. But when another sampling was done in February, the cause came back inconclusive. The director of the Tompkins County Health Department, Frank Krupa, says in some instances things were better and in some cases they were worse.
So we're still trying to understand why that is and what the cause of that is. But typically changing fixtures and things like flushing protocols can reduce the lead levels within the water under the action level.
In the meantime, drinking water sources have been turned off and bottled water has been provided to the students and staff. Krupa says the cause of the elevated lead levels could be a number of things.
It could be other piping within the system. It could be inconsistencies in the sampling procedures. It could be the water in the pipe prior to the fixture. It could be getting exposed to lead.
Which is why the county is working with experts from the New York State Health Department to figure out what those results mean. The permitted action level for lead in water is 15 parts per billion. In some cases, results showed levels at 5,000 ppb.
That's part of what we're trying to figure out is what caused those results to come so high, because it's honestly not what we would have expected to see from those samples.
Krupa says the health department isn't recommending children be tested for elevated blood lead levels. He says Tompkins County has no record of drinking water being a primary source of lead in a child with elevated blood lead levels.
It's a collaborative effort, and we are one community here. Everyone wants what's best for the kids, and that's really what we're trying to accomplish at this point. So we're working together, and we'll continue to do that.
In the meantime, the Ithaca City School District has turned off all drinking water sources in school buildings until lead and copper testing can be done. Now, the district recently found out water samples hadn't been taken since 2005. However, Krupa says since a majority of the schools are on municipal water, they aren't required to be tested. Reporting in the studio, Samantha Potter, WENY News.